What if I told you? You can start fixing your entire life in just one day. Not because everything changes in 24 hours, but because one day can change your direction forever. Most people wake up and immediately check social media. Successful people wake up and check their goals. Today, make a decision. Delete the distractions. Turn off the excuses. Stop waiting for motivation. Take a piece of paper and write down 3 things. What is destroying your life? What do you want your life to look like? What must you do every day to get there? Now create a plan, not for the next 10 years, for tomorrow morning. Wake up earlier, exercise for 30 minutes, read 10 pages, learn a high-income skill, save money instead of wasting it. Simple actions, massive results. The truth is, your life isn't broken because of one big mistake. It's controlled by the small habits you repeat every day. Change the habits. Change the future. One workout won't make you fit. One investment won't make you rich. One day won't make you successful. But one day can be the day you decide to become successful. Years from now, you'll either be proud of today's choices or haunted by them. The clock is ticking. Start today. Your future self is waiting.